To view your monthly data usage in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap data usage, tap mobile data usage. Here by default you can see your data usage for the current billing cycle. You can also see your data usage from the last 4 billing cycles. To do so, tap the billing cycle and then select the required billing cycle you like to view. In this screen, you can also see the data usage per apps to let you know which app that use data the most. If needed, you can tap an app to see how much it foreground and background data usage. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.